Hello students, today we will clear the concept of circle. What is circle? So definition for the circle is a circle is a two-dimensional closed figure consisting of all the points in the plane which are equidistant from a given point is called center. So simply what is the definition for circle is a circle is a two-dimensional closed figure. A circle is a two-dimensional closed figure consisting of all the points in a given plane are equidistant from a given point is known as center. This is the given point is known as center, and distance from center to any point on the circle is known as radius. Distance from center to any point on the circle is known as radius. Now we will discuss all the parts of the circles. Number 1, center. Center is the midpoint of the circle. Center is the midpoint of the circle. The next one is radius. Radius is a line segment. Which connect center and any point on the circle. And another definition for the radius is the distance from center to any point on the circle is known as radius. Third one is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a line segment from two points which are on the center and which pass through which are on the circle and pass through the center. Okay, so diameter is a line segment whose end point on the circle and which pass through the center. Okay, diameter is a line segment, end points on the circle and which pass through the center. Basically, radius is denoted by r and diameter is the twice of radius. It means diameter is denoted by d and radius is denoted by r, then d is equal to 2 into r, 2r. Clear? If we have the measurement of radius, then we will multiply 2 to the measurement of radius, then we get diameter. Okay, so next one is chord. What is chord? Chord is a line segment, end point on the circle, and biggest chord is diameter. Next is sector. What is sector? If we have a circle, sector is a region bounded by two radii and an arc. This one is arc and these are radius. And radii is the plural form of radius. Okay? When we have more than one radius, then we have two radius, so we can say that these are radii. Okay, so the region bounded by two radii, two radius and an arc is known as sector. Clear? Next one is segment. The region bounded by a chord and an arc is known as segment. Clear? We have two formula. First one is to find out the circumference of the circle. What is circumference? Circumference is the perimeter of the circle. Is the perimeter of the circle, a total length of the circle. Okay, total length of the circle. So circumference is find out by 2 pi r. 2, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and where r is radius and c is circumference of the circle. This will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, and the next formula is area of the circle. So pi r square. We know very well what is the value of pi, 22 by 7 or 3.14, and r is the radius of the circle. So now we are able to find out the area of circle, circumference of